In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-post on Facebook page. Cross-posting lets you share the same video across multiple Facebook pages without re-uploading it, which helps keep your analytics clean and your audience engaged across different communities. Here's how to set it up smoothly. Start by opening Facebook. You can do this on the mobile app or on a desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages the page you want to use. If you have multiple pages, it helps to confirm you're using the correct one before you continue. Next, switch to your page. On mobile, tap your profile picture or the menu and choose your page from the list. On desktop, click your profile switcher at the top right and select the page. You need to be an admin or have the right permissions on the page to access the cross-posting options. Once you're viewing your page, go to Settings. Look for the gear icon or the Settings and Privacy area, then open your page's settings. If you don't see everything at first glance, scroll. Some options are nested under additional menus. Inside Settings, tap Media or Videos, depending on what your version of Facebook calls it. These sections control how your page handles video content and related tools, including cross-posting. Find cross-posting within that Media or Videos area. This is the place where you connect your page to other pages you collaborate with. It may be listed as cross-posting or cross-posting settings. Now, tap Add Page. This tells Facebook you want to set up a relationship with another page for video sharing. Have the exact page name or its URL ready to avoid connecting the wrong one. Enter the other page name or URL. If you type a name, use the precise title as it appears on Facebook. If you paste a URL, double-check it to ensure it points to the correct page. Accuracy here saves time and prevents mislinks. Tap Next to proceed. Depending on each page's settings and permissions, Facebook may immediately confirm the connection, or it may send a request to the other page for approval. That's normal and helps keep your content secure. Finally, tap Done. Your cross-posting setup is complete. From now on, when you upload eligible videos to your page, you'll see options to share them with the page you connected. This keeps the video file unified while allowing each page to reach its audience and track performance. If anything doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to sync and you'll be ready to cross-post with confidence.